Hi guys and welcome back. I'm still on the acoustic. So what I thought would be fun, it's Christmas. My kids are massively into Star Wars at the moment. Yours probably are too, as you know, you probably are too. I know I am. So I thought we'd go through 5 Star Wars themes in 10 minutes. I thought I'd give myself a little 10-minute limit. Why not, eh? So 10 minutes on the clock. Let's do this. The intro goes like this. It's all on the 3rd string, and all you're doing is picking the first note, and then thereafter you don't pick. It's all hammer-ons and pull-offs, okay? You're going to play, then repeat that, so you do that twice, and the last one is just subtly different. It plays, and again slower, then you're going to go up to the 10th fret, down to the 3rd, then to the 5th. The next part, you can play with octaves, right? Which is 3rd fret on the E, 3rd fret on the A, or 6th and 5th. But you're also playing the octave, right? As per the tab. And then when the main riff comes in, so if you've got a mate who can play that bit, then cool. Or put it into a looper and then play the next few bits over the top, right? And then the next bit that comes in is on the B string. And that's actually played on an acoustic guitar on the track, so 4/3. Then you've got this. Then we're into the main riff over the top. I'll run through this quite quickly. So we're going to go. So let's go through that slowly. On the 3rd string, or the G string. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3. Then you move down 1 string, 3rd fret, 3, 5, 6, 3 on the next string up, and then back down those same notes with this rhythm. Then you play the same thing again, but this time 5, 7. Same rhythm as the second bar, but you're just playing 3, 5, 3. That's from the 3rd to the 2nd string, and then the 2nd string to the 3rd string, 4, 3, 5, 3. Now the next bit you could play like that pentatonic shape, right? But I'm going to slide up to the 8th fret. That's what I've tabbed. Just sounds nicer, I think. Then you've got this lovely little set of triplets, and think of this in terms of 2 chord shapes, okay? So you've got this one here which is 6, 5, 6, and then this one here which is 7, 8, 7, like a D shape. But what you want to do is you're going to leave your first finger on the 5th fret, slide that up 2 frets to the 7th, and then put those 2 back down in a D shape, right? So that's the easiest way to play that, I think. And be wary of the phrasing, because it's 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. Next up, to get it a bit more authentic, you could do this. You could add the 4th fret there to play. Now in terms of finger position for this riff, think C chord, but just the sort of top 3 notes of it. from the 6th fret. Okay, so that should become clear in a second. Riff goes like this. That's the first bit, okay? So, pretty straightforward. Awesome. Then you got this repeating pattern. That's the first time round. Let's stop there. Octave. This has got a triplet feel, this. Then you're going to do a chromatic run down. And from the 5th you go 5, 4, 5, which is a slide, right? Then you got 6th fret. Then you play. So think 2 chord shapes there. Okay, and you just arpeggiating them. Second time round. Then you're going to rock back into that next shape, okay? So you're going to play. Next up is the Force theme, which is in every film. It's an absolute classic. It goes like this. Etc. Right? It actually stops there. And then some other symphonic stuff happens. But let me just run through that slowly again. Pretty straightforward. This bit though. That may be a bit tricky, so you might want to use your 3rd fingers if you're not used to playing with your little one. The other part though. There, I'm moving to my 2nd and 3rd finger to play the 8th note on the 4th and 2nd string. Okay, so that bit, be wary of. So from there, I'm switching to my ring finger there. Okay. Next up, Duel of the Fates, absolute classic. I think the intro goes. Then you're going to play. Round and round. And all that is this. 5, 2, 5, 4, 2. With some palm muting as well. And you just repeat that around. So the phrase is, play that twice, and that is 1 bar. You can also move it up to do the octave, right? Starting from the 8th fret on the B string, all right? That goes around, and then you've got this. And then that goes round as well, right? But it plays over. So use a looper or a friend for that one too. And that's that one. Last but by no means least, we can't not have the Star Wars main theme, so let's do that one. So that is awesome. Very straightforward. You got the notes there, but just watch out for the triplet feel. That's a triplet. Okay? So that's repeated twice, and then 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Next part goes. then back into, etc. So watch out for that bit. Make sure you get that feel in there. So that was it, a bit of fun for you. Hope you enjoyed that one. The Mandalorian one, oof, that is good. If you want the whole of that, then let me know. Happy to do so. Happy to do so. Anyway, have a happy Christmas. See you all soon. Cheers, bye-bye.